Hello, dear Homepedia family. Welcome to this breathtaking Mediterranean masterpiece, where timeless Spanish elegance meets modern luxury. Nestled in a serene landscape, this stunning villa captivates from the very first glance. Inside, the living room embodies relaxed sophistication. Soaring beamed ceilings and soft arched doorways flood the space with natural light. Neutral tones, textured fabrics, plush seating, and thoughtful accents create an inviting haven perfect for gatherings or quiet evenings by the fireplace. The heart of the home is this exquisite kitchen. Rich wooden beams overhead contrast beautifully with crisp white cabinetry, a spacious island, and high-end appliances. Hand-painted tiles and copper accents add authentic Mediterranean flair, while abundant counter space and open shelving make it a joy for both everyday cooking and entertaining guests in style. Retreat to the master bedroom, a true sanctuary of tranquility. Soft linens drape over a grand bed, framed by elegant arches and warm wooden elements. Large windows invite in gentle breezes and views of the lush surroundings. It's a space designed for rest, romance, and waking up refreshed every morning. Finally, the bathroom feels like a private spa escape. Arched niches, textured plaster walls, a luxurious soaking tub, and modern fixtures create a serene atmosphere. Natural light pours in, highlighting the earthy tones and thoughtful details that make every bath feel indulgent and rejuvenating. This Mediterranean villa isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. A perfect harmony of beauty, comfort, and timeless design. If this dream home speaks to you, like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which room is your favorite. Thanks for touring with us. Until next time.